want to talk quickly about internships. So if we're looking for internships, I would look, and I checked EntertainmentCareers.Net. There is an internships listing, and it's just all internship listings. But I would also make a list of 20 to 30 companies or agencies or brands that you want to work with, those that you have an affinity for. Ask around for an introduction. We could use LinkedIn, you can use email. If you don't have a connection yet, then I would reach out via email with an introduction message, your resume, maybe asking for an informational interview, just to see like what the process looks like, if there are any openings. It doesn't hurt to ask.
Say, can I have 20 minutes? Because 20 minutes is less than a half an hour. It seems doable. Yeah, again, it gets back to like, how can you make their life easier?
Yeah, absolutely.